Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Planning a birthday celebration at home, creating a stunning and festive atmosphere doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With the right decor, you can turn your space into a magical party venue that makes the day truly special. Whether you are organizing a birthday for kids, adults, or planning a surprise party, the key is to focus on creative yet budget friendly decoration ideas that enhance the celebration. Choose a birthday theme that matches the personality of the birthday person. From elegant and minimalist setups to vibrant and colorful party themes, selecting the right color scheme helps create a cohesive look. Balloons are a must have for any celebration, and you can arrange them into arcs, balloons, walls, or clusters to add a festive touch. Complement your balloon decor with DIY banners, fairy lights, and themed table centerpieces to make the space look visually appealing. With these simple yet creative birthday decor ideas, you can host a beautiful celebration at home without spending a fortune. Whether it's an intimate family gathering or a fun filled party with friends, these decor tips will help you set the perfect mood for an unforgettable birthday bash. Subscribe for more party decor inspiration and let us know in the comments which birthday theme you love the most.